What's up guys, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at a total condenser mic kit made by TONOR. Now whether or not you're starting a YouTube channel or you're trying to do a podcast or you're singing or maybe you just want to update your mic that you have right now, this is a phenomenal kit, especially for what you get. First of all, you get the condenser mic. It comes in two colors. There's a blue and a black, which I have the black. It comes with a pop filter here. It's got like a nylon mesh on it. And it has this wired holder that connects to your scissor arm here. It comes with the shock mount that you can put your condenser into. Like I said before, your scissor arm here, this thing can go like all over the place. Extend all the way out and it stays. It's pretty nice. Another thing about this mic arm, I'm actually using the same one for my recordings that I do with my Blue Yeti. It's an inexpensive arm, but it works really well, and my Blue Yeti is fairly heavy, so it doesn't seem to have any issues holding up the microphone. As you saw, I had it extended all the way out. And it didn't have any problems holding the mic pretty much in any position. So if it can hold the Blue Yeti, it's definitely going to hold this in pretty much any position you want. This little arm here moves. You can hang the mic upside down. I just have it hanging like this because it seems to naturally just kind of want to hang like that. But this stand that I paid for, I think on Amazon, was probably about $25. So it's an inexpensive arm, but it works really well, so I can't complain. It is an XLR system, so it comes with a amplifier here. As you can see, the two XLR cords, there's an input and an output. It is powered by your computer or a 5-volt USB source. It's got your USB plug right here for power. It's got your on-off button right here and the little LED to show you that it is on. Now I did try to use this without the amplifier. It does seem to still work, but the input is very low. So you're definitely going to want to use this with the amplifier because it makes your voice a lot louder and a lot clearer. So there's no getting away from that. And as for the shock mount, kind of, bump into my table a little bit. We'll see how that sounds over the mic. It's definitely going to take away some of the impact rather than if you were just to have the microphone on the stand. So it's definitely helping out some. Here's your little manual. The XLR does end up into a 3.5 millimeter jack, just like a little headphone jack that plugs into your computer's input. If you don't happen to have a sound card that has an input on it, like I'm using a Mac right now, I have like a little USB sound card that I'm using right now. I will be putting it in the link in the description in case you guys want to purchase that yourself, because it doesn't come with this. Some computers come with an input that you can already use this with, but like I said, if you're using a Mac, it usually doesn't have the 3.5 millimeter input on it, so you just get this cheap little USB input, and it works pretty well. So, like I said before, this works really well with your computer. I also tried it with a little camcorder, a Sony camcorder that I have. You can also use that, so you can record and you can plug this into the camcorder for sound. Unfortunately, it doesn't work with mobile phones. I've tried my OnePlus 6T and my iPhone XR, and they both don't work with that. So like I said, it works with my Sony camcorder that I'll do a little sample for you. Okay guys, so here's a little sample of what it sounds like through my camcorder. As you can see, I have the mic plugged in right here via the 3.5 millimeter jack. It goes right into my mic plug. And here is my Sony camcorder. So this is pretty much what it sounds like if you wanted to use it for recording voice through a camcorder. And keep in mind, this camcorder is probably about 10 years old, so it It's going to vary between devices. It's not going to sound exactly like this because each device has its own recording. So it could be better, it could be worse, but here's just a little sample of what it sounds like. But for everything you get, I think it's about $48 and you get all this. It's like a total mic kit for you, except for that little sound card, for like $48. So if you're, like I said, if you're trying to start up a YouTube channel and you need, just like a little better mic than maybe what's on your webcam, or, like a little camera that you're using, this is definitely a nice little setup for you to pick up. And the sound is super clear. I've turned the volume up all the way on my computer, and I hear there's absolutely no hiss, no feedback, anything. So the sound quality of voice is very clear. It does sound a little flat. You can usually change that in post, like if you're editing videos and stuff like that. But as for clarity, it sounds really clear. And like I said before, me using my Mac, the sound card, and this, there's absolutely no hiss or anything that you can hear. It's super clear. So if you guys like what you hear, I will be putting a link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you know when I put out new videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.